Hey there, welcome to our channel. Are you struggling to figure out how to manage your finances and save money? In this video, we're going to talk about the 50-30-20 rule, a simple budgeting method that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Stick around and let's get started. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting method that involves dividing your after-tax income into three categories. 50% of your income should go towards needs, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% should go towards wants, such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. And the remaining 20% should go towards savings and debt repayment. To implement the 50-30-20 rule, you need to take the following steps. Determine your after-tax income. This is the amount of money you have left over after taxes and other deductions. Calculate 50% of your income for needs. This includes expenses such as rent, mortgage, utilities, food, and transportation. Calculate 30% of your income for wants. This includes expenses such as dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and other non-essential items. Allocate 20% of your income for savings and debt repayment. This includes building an emergency fund, paying off debt, and investing for the future. Track your spending. Keep a record of all your expenses to ensure you're sticking to the 50-30-20 rule. Adjust your budget as needed. If you find you're overspending in one area, adjust your budget to ensure you're following the rule. Let's look at an example of the 50-30-20 rule. Let's say that Jane makes $3,000 a month after taxes. Using the 50-30-20 rule, she would allocate $1,500 towards needs, $900 towards wants, and $600 towards savings and debt repayment. For her needs, she pays $1,000 in rent, $300 for utilities, and $200 for groceries. For her wants, she spends $200 on dining out, $150 on entertainment, and $550 on hobbies. And for savings and debt repayment, she puts $400 towards her emergency fund and $200 towards paying off her credit card debt. The 50-30-20 rule has several benefits, including increased savings. By allocating 20% of your income towards savings and debt repayment, you can build an emergency fund and pay off debt faster. Better financial control. By tracking your expenses and following a budget, you can take control of your finances and make informed decisions about your spending. Reduced stress. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you can reduce financial stress and worry. To make the 50-30-20 rule work for you, here are some tips to keep in mind. Be realistic. When budgeting for needs and wants, be realistic about your expenses and don't overspend. Prioritize debt repayment. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first to save money on interest. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to make saving easier. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending and ensure you're following the 50-30-20 rule. How to adjust the rule for your situation. While the 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point, it may not work for everyone. If you have a high amount of debt or live in an expensive area, you may need to adjust the percentages to fit your situation. For example, you may need to allocate more towards needs and less towards wants in order to free up money for debt repayment. And there you have it, the 50-30-20 rule. By following this simple budgeting method, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, it's never too late to start managing your money more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.